In today's video, I'm going to teach you Welcome. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to process credit card payments in QuickBooks Online step by step. Whether you're collecting on an open invoice or recording a sale with a sales receipt, I'll guide you through the screens, explain what each field means, and share a few tips to keep your records clean and accurate. Start by logging in to QuickBooks Online. Once you're in, look to the left side menu. Go to Sales and Get Paid, then choose Sales Transactions. This page lists your invoices and sales receipts, along with statuses and amounts. Use the search or filters to quickly find the customer who's paying by credit card, and double-check you've got the right transaction, including the date and amount. Open the invoice or the sales receipt. If you opened an invoice, you'll see a Receive Payment button in the top right. Click Receive Payment to begin recording what the customer is paying today. If you're working from a sales receipt, you're already in the payment window, so you can move straight to confirming the details. In the Payment Method drop-down, select Credit Card. Choosing the correct method is important for accurate reports and for matching your deposits later. Next, enter the payment date. Pick the date you actually received or processed the card, which helps your books line up with bank activity. Enter the amount received. Make sure it matches what you're collecting from the customer today. If there are any discounts or adjustments already shown on the transaction, ensure the amount reflects the true total after those entries. If you're using QuickBooks Payments, click Process Payment. You'll be prompted to enter the customer's credit card details, such as the card number, expiration date, and billing information. Only enter this information in the secure payment fields provided, and avoid saving card numbers anywhere else. When everything looks correct, submit the transaction. Confirm the payment is approved. You should see an approval or success message. On an invoice, the status will update to paid or show the remaining balance if it was a partial payment. Take a moment to review the confirmation so you know the charge went through. When you're done, click Save and Close to finish, or Save and New, if you're ready to process another payment right away. That preserves your work and keeps your records consistent. That's how to process credit card payments in QuickBooks Online. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.